Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a Roth IRA with Betterment, full guide step by step clearly. To set up a Roth IRA with Betterment, begin by visiting the Betterment website. Click on the Get Started button to create your account. You'll need to provide your email address and create a password. After entering your information, click on Create Account. Next, check your email for a verification link from Betterment. Click the link to verify your email and activate your account. Once your account is activated, log in using your credentials. You will be prompted to start the account setup process. Select Retirement and then choose Roth IRA as your account type. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your name, address, and date of birth. Next, you'll need to provide your Social Security number for tax purposes. Indicate your employment status and annual income as well. Now, select your investment goals and risk tolerance. Betterment will use this information to recommend an investment strategy. Review Betterment's terms and conditions and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept them and continue. Next, link your bank account for deposit funding. Enter your bank account information directly or use the bank verification process. After linking your account, choose your initial contribution amount. You'll also need to decide if you want to set up recurring contributions. Once you confirm your contributions, review all the information provided. If everything looks correct, submit your application. You'll receive a confirmation once your Roth IRA is successfully set up. Now you can start managing your investments and track your progress. Remember to monitor your Roth IRA regularly to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.